We all dream of having beautiful, shiny nails, but sometimes expensive nail products feel out of reach. Don't worry, there's a simple secret hiding in your bathroom: toothpaste. Yes, you read that right. Toothpaste isn't just for your pearly whites anymore. It can give your nails a sparkling makeover too. This easy and affordable trick can brighten your nails and leave them looking healthy and shiny. Ready to unlock this surprising beauty hack? Let's dive in. You might wonder, how can toothpaste make my nails shine? The answer lies in some key ingredients found in many toothpaste formulas. Toothpaste often contain mild abrasives like silica. These gentle scrubbers effectively remove stains and dullness from your nail's surface, revealing their natural shine. Additionally, some toothpastes contain whitening agents like baking soda and activated charcoal. These ingredients can further enhance the brightness of your nails, making them appear healthier and more vibrant. The result? Shiny, clean nails that will make you want to show off your hands. Ready to try this hack yourself? It's a fun and easy way to get your nails looking their best without spending a lot of money or time. Here's a simple guide to follow to achieve shiny, beautiful nails using just toothpaste. You'll need your favorite toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste works best for this purpose. A toothbrush, an old one will do just fine. A small bowl, some warm water, and a soft towel to dry your hands afterward. Start by washing your hands and nails thoroughly with soap and warm water. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt or oils that might interfere with the process. Make sure to clean under your nails as well to ensure the toothpaste can work effectively. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. You don't need much, just enough to cover the surface of your nails. Gently rub the toothpaste onto the surface of your nails in circular motions. This helps to polish and clean your nails. Make sure to cover your entire nail, including the edges and cuticles, for a thorough clean. After gently scrubbing for a minute or two, rinse your hands thoroughly with warm water. This will wash away the toothpaste and any loosened dirt. Pat your nails dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing too hard to prevent any damage to your nails. Enjoy your shiny, clean nails. Section 4. Benefits galore. Why this hack is a winner. This toothpaste hack isn't just effective, it's also incredibly convenient and budget-friendly. Imagine getting salon-quality nails without the hefty price tag. Here's why you'll love it. Cost-effective toothpaste is much cheaper than fancy nail buffers or whitening treatments. You can save a lot of money by using something you already have at home. It's a great way to pamper your nails without breaking the bank. Plus, you get the added benefit of knowing exactly what you're putting on your nails. Easy to find. You likely already have toothpaste at home, making it a readily available beauty solution. No need to make a special trip to the store. It's right there in your bathroom cabinet, ready to be used whenever you need it. Quick and simple. The entire process takes only a few minutes, making it perfect for a quick touch-up. No more spending hours at the salon. You can achieve shiny, polished nails in no time. Perfect for those last-minute plans. Gentle and natural toothpaste offers a milder alternative to harsh chemicals often found in some nail products. It's a safer option for those with sensitive skin or nails. Section 5. Proceed with care. Important tips and precautions. This section is crucial for anyone looking to achieve the best results while avoiding any potential pitfalls. While generally safe, keep these tips in mind to ensure the best results and avoid any potential issues. These guidelines will help you navigate the process smoothly and effectively. Use non-gel toothpaste. Opt for a traditional paste rather than a gel formula, as gel toothpastes might not have the same cleaning properties. Traditional pastes are often more effective in removing stains and providing a thorough clean. Choose whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpastes often contain baking soda, which can enhance the brightening effect on your nails. This ingredient is known for its mild abrasive properties that help in removing surface stains. Be gentle. Don't scrub too hard, as this could irritate your nails or damage the delicate skin around them. Gentle scrubbing ensures that you clean your nails without causing any harm or discomfort. Moisturize afterward. After using toothpaste, apply a hand cream or cuticle oil to keep your nails and surrounding skin hydrated. Moisturizing helps in maintaining the health and appearance of your nails, preventing dryness and cracking, not a permanent solution. This hack offers a temporary shine boost. For long-term nail health, maintain a balanced diet and consider a nail strengthener. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports overall nail health, making them stronger and less prone to damage. Section 6. Unleash the sparkle confidently beautiful nails. There you have it, a simple, affordable, and effective way to achieve envy-worthy, shiny nails using a common household item. This toothpaste hack is a fantastic way to pamper yourself and boost your confidence without spending a fortune. So go ahead, try it out, and let your nails shine brightly.